Hi guys, welcome to another video about the GoPro Hero 7 Black and the problem with the 4K 60 frames. So here we have the camera, and somebody wrote me that he has problems not getting 4K at 60 frames. So as you can see, sometimes the camera is also struggling with the rotating. That definitely shouldn't happen with such a expensive camera, but apart from that, it's really good. So let's go to the options here. We are on video. Oops. I click on that, and so we go to resolution and frames per second. Hope you can do that behind the camera. So we are on 4K, we are on 60 frames, and it says hyper smooth stabilization, but with what we don't have, we have not the super wide, we have just the wide. So when we go to field of view, there's nothing we can do, it just keeps on wide, but everything is good. But there's another thing I can do. Let's go to a little bit down, 2.7K 60 frames. And now what we can do, we can go to super view. Okay, do you see that? This I cannot do with the 4K 60 frames. But now watch this. When we go to the the resolution, we go to 4K, and now watch here the blue thing where it says hyper smooth stabilization. When I change it to 60, it says stabilization not supported. That's the thing what you have. For some strange reason, you can just activate this thing when you go to ultra wide, or what's that? Yeah, wide. And then then you have the limited stabilization. That's really strange. It's a little bit strange then that you cannot change that. As you can see, it's really limited. You have to go down, and then you can choose everything. You can have wide, linear, super view. You can change everything, and then when you go back to the 4K, it tells you it's not stabilization is not supported. That's really weird. Have you seen that? And now I cannot change it. I mean, that's I don't know if that's a bug. It's really super strange. I mean, yeah, but at least you know how you can override that. When you want to change that, you have to get out of the 4K 60 frames to change the field of view, and depending on what you have, it will say it's okay or it's not okay. It's absolutely weird. I mean, when you have just really the wide, everything is good here. No problem with 4K 60 frames. It says hyper smooth stabilization. So I don't really get the point why they decided to do that. But anyway, at least we know how we can override these things. Here we have these settings. No, that was not the settings. Here we have these settings, preferences, general, and here somewhere are the I think here we have something, preferences, and not in general, but we have to go down to the about and camera info, and then we can see the version number, and it's 0.61 if I'm not wrong. And as soon as the camera can focus, I think here we can see that 1.61. I mean, we have such a large screen, and they decided for so small letters, but at least we can see that 1.61, but I think it's the latest version. There's no nothing we can upgrade. Maybe they, or hopefully they will come up with an upgraded version which will fix that problem. So that's it. This is how this works, at least at the moment, with this version. And yeah, I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.